So students, our next salt is bleaching powder. So let us discuss about bleaching powder. So its chemical name is calcium oxychloride, right? CaOCl2. Chemical name is calcium oxychloride, right? So let's see its preparation, how it is prepared. See, when chlorine gas is passed through calcium hydroxide solution, right? Calcium hydroxide solution, or you can say it's slaked lime. It is also known as slaked lime. So when chlorine gas is passed through slaked lime, so it will form calcium oxychloride. It will form calcium oxychloride, right? Or you can say bleaching powder, or hydrogen gas will release in this process, right? So what are the uses of bleaching powder? This is that bleaching powder which is generally used in textile industry. Okay, in textile industry it is used for bleaching clothes. Okay, and it is the bleach generally people use on their hair, right? For bleaching the hair, to change the color of hair. So for making drinking water free from germs, bleaching powder is used. It is also used in oxidizing agent in chemical industries, right? So it is also used to make chloroform. Chloroform is also used in refrigerators, CFC, in the form of CFC carbon, or it is also used in medical as an anesthetic, right? As an anesthetic it is also used. If a person intake chloroform, more concentration of chloroform, so it can also cause death, or a person may also go in coma. Okay, so these are these are some uses of bleaching powder. So let's discuss our last salt of this chapter. So that is plaster of Paris, POP. That is plaster of Paris, and you are generally used POP in your you have seen in your houses, right? It is used for the decoration of houses. So see how it is prepared. It is prepared when we heat gypsum at 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin, right? So if gypsum is heated over 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin, it will form plaster of Paris. So gypsum is calcium sulfate having two water molecules, right? CSO4 into 2H2O means calcium sulfate having two water molecules. It forms gypsum. So when we heat gypsum, it will break, right? When we heat gypsum, it will break. CSO4 into half H2O, right? It is half H2O of water, means half molecule of water. If it is consist, it will form POP, plaster of Paris, and this is 3/2 water molecule which is released out in the process. Okay, I hope this preparation is clear to you. Now let us discuss about the uses. I have already told you where it is used: for the decoration material, toys, right? It is used or to making the surface smooth. You have also seen in your ceiling that POP is used in your houses. It is also used in medical fields for setting fracture bones. You have seen plasters, right? So for plasters POP is also used because it is hard material, right? For fireproofing material, or it is also used sealing, right? For sealing in laboratories or chemistry labs, it is used for sealing so that air cannot pass out through the source, right? So this is all about the salt. I hope this is clear to all of you.